This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by K. Weinfordner. Clean and fresh 3-bedroom 1-bathroom with bonus room and inside laundry room. Shed on premises. Some pets may be allowed at the landlord's discretion. Bring your toys to park. There is plenty of space for work trailers, boats, and RV. Parks and schools are very near to the property. It is strategically located close to all living amenities and vacation amenities near the new Sunseeker resort. Available immediately. Owner is motivated and somewhat flexible for the right tenant who passes all application standards for background checks and credit checks. Renter's insurance is required with a landlord as a named insured. Any emotional support or therapy dogs are always welcome, but any damages by them are paid by the tenant. For more